Every bottle has a story. Once it carried water, juice, or soda. But when it's empty, mostly it is waste. What if we saw it differently? What if instead of trash, we saw a canvas? Recycling bottles is not just an act of saving the planet, it's an invitation to create beauty, mindfulness, and even opportunity. To grow business, to decorate your home with it. Bottle recycling is a gentle reminder that nothing is ever truly useless. When glass or plastic bottles are collected, cleaned, and reused, we reduce waste, save energy, and keep our environment healthy. But beyond its environmental benefits, recycling is also an art of transformation. The bottle changes shape, meaning, and purpose, just like we do in our own lives. Take a simple bottle, dip your brush in colors, and suddenly the ordinary becomes extraordinary. A plain glass bottle turns into a vibrant vase. A plastic bottle, when painted with care, become a decorative lamp. Every stroke of color is like meditation. Calm, slow, peaceful painting bottles isn't just craft, it's therapy for the soul. Decoration adds the final touch with jute rope, weird seashell, or fairy lights. A recycled bottle become a piece of art. Imagine a corner of your home glowing with handmade bottle lamps, or a festive table it with decorated bottles with filled with flowers. That doesn't just change your home, it changes your state of mind because bringing peace, creativity, and joy. Now imagine turning this passion into a business. Handmade bottles crafts have a story, and people love stories. At local markets, online shops, and social platforms, buyers look for eco-friendly, unique, and artistic creations. By recycling bottles, painting them, and decorating them, you are not just making art, you are building a brand that speaks of sustainability, mindfulness, and care for the earth. Share for your process, tell your journey, and let your customers feel the heart behind each piece. That's how business grows, with honesty, creativity, and purpose. So, the next time you hold an empty bottle, don't throw it away. See the beauty it carries, painted, decorated, recycle it. In your hands, it can become art. In your vision, it can become a business. And in your heart, it can become peace. Remember, every bottle is more than glass or plastic, it's a possibility. Depending on piecing and pauses for mindful, calm delivery. If you like these designs, if you like these ideas, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you leave a comment in the comment section, I will shout out for you, beautiful shout out for you with your name. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for your amazing response. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Keep shining like a star. Keep smiling. Stay blessed. Be happy wherever you are, wherever you're from. Whoever are watching this video, stay blessed. Keep shining like a star.